Well, y'all, late night in the lab, tired. Been 2 days working on this, but I got it. Dodge Magnum 3.5 dual alternator setup. Original. New setup. All night in the lab, y'all. It even slipped over that puller when you need that one on up. I guess I want to get a big one in. Push that belt plate. So far, so good. Real nice and tight, no squilling. Yeah. First one I done seen.